Welcome, students, learners, viewers. I'm going to make a very short video on the security aspect of the hotel guest room key. On your screen right now, you can see an actual key of ITC Hotel, ITC Kohinoor, Hyderabad. And obviously, it's a luxury collection hotel, so upmarket, a high end hotel. And what is really important is the reverse of this key. It is here on your screen, and it has something engraved on it, something printed on it, and that will explain to the students of hospitality about the security aspect of guest room key. The first thing is that this key card is protected with your own unique ID number. So this key will only open a specific room, and every room will have a very specific key. The keys are not interchangeable. That is number one. So nobody can mistakenly enter another person's guest room. So that is the first security feature. The second feature is that it is only valid during your stay, which means after the stay is over, this key and its code becomes invalid and they will not open any door in the hotel. So it's a one-time use key, and that therefore it is very safe. In case the guest wants to extend their stay, which means if they want to stay beyond their reservation period that they had originally planned, then the key card must be recoded so that it can be used. And I think a fresh code will have to be printed on this key. And I think the most important security feature of this key, as I can see, is that each lock keeps a security record of every entry. Now, I think there are possibilities that a guest room security is breached, somebody is stolen. But it is also possible that the guest may misreport. Somebody may actually try to pressurize the hotel by making a false claim. I'm not saying that people do it, but it is a possibility. So, if this key has this record of entry every time somebody using this key, then naturally there would also be CCTV footage in the corridor if there is a CCTV footage, camera in that corridor. And since every entry into the room is recorded, so guests cannot deny that, and they cannot just blame anyone and everyone, and that is how it protects even the hotel employees from false accusations. So I think these 3 points, I hope I was able to clarify to you. And these keys are very important for hotel safety and security. In many hotels, I have learned from my own students that this key is also valid to open the elevators. Without this valid key, the elevator doors do not open. I have heard about it. And I've also learned that the elevator only stops at the floor to which this room key belongs. So we are trying to control the movement of people, and we are trying to prevent unauthorized people from accessing the sensitive, secure areas of the hotel. So in this video, only this far I'll discuss. For any doubts or queries or clarifications, please post a comment in the comment section below of this video. Thank you. Have a pleasant day.